In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your boring videos to HDR 4K standard in CapCut. To begin, I've imported these two clips onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is come over here and select adjustments and select custom adjustment, select add to track and adjust the duration of this adjustment layer to the duration of your videos. Next, come over to effects over here and under video effects, select lens and search for blur and add blur to your timeline and adjust the duration of blur to your entire timeline. Next, select your adjustment over here and come over to curves and flip your curves in the opposite direction and export this video. Next, delete the adjustment layer and delete the blur layer. Import the just exported video and import it into your timeline over here. Next, change the blend mode to color burn and set the opacity to 30. Next, import any white background into your timeline and set the duration of the white background to match the duration of your videos and change the blend mode for the white background to overlay and set the opacity to 80%. Next, select your main video over here and select adjustments and add adjustments. Adjust the length of the adjustment to assume the length of the entire video. Select the adjustment and over here you can increase the value for tints, increase the value for saturation. You can adjust your exposure, your contrast, your highlights. You can adjust the shadow to your liking and scroll down to sharpen. Increase the value for sharpen, increase the value for clarity and come over to the HSL and you can also adjust the HSL to your liking.